Hey everybody, today we're going to be playing a game called Mourning Tide, a fishing simulator where we try to beat the morning tide or something. Let's see what happens. So, let's get into it. Alright, let's see here. Alright, we got some wiggle to the rod here. Click to cast. We got a fishing bar. Looks like we gotta keep the fish in the middle of the circle with our mouse. So this is a horror game apparently. So far. We're just fishing, hanging out. Two fish. One fish, two fish. A red fish. Blue fish. Fishing, fishing. Ooh. There was something. What's over there? Yeah, there we go. Yeah, man. There we go. Oh, that one has an oddly human eye. I don't know how I feel about that. Oh, there's one over there. Let's go. Yeah, man. Oh. Yeah. Well, thing's got a big fin. It's a good one. Come on. There we go. Alright, it seems to be getting a little bit tougher to keep them in the circle. There we go. Come on. There we go. Oh. There we go. Oh, Jesus. That's a noise. Yeah, right there, bud. Okay. You can get right off. Oh. There's another one. Not too difficult of a game so far. Sky definitely seems to be getting a bit darker. I do not like the noise that those rays are making. Does that thing have a face on it? Oh God. It does. What is that? Ugh. Alright. Come on. Wait, oh, we got another one. It's darting around. Oh, yeah, come on, back in there. What are you doing? Let's go. Definitely getting harder every time we catch a fish to keep it in the circle. Alright, come on. No, that's... I don't want to lose it. Come on. Come on. Let's see. Maybe if I try to catch a little bit closer. That'd be easier? I don't know. Oh, there we go. Okay. Another weird eyeball fish. Cool. Not really sure what the point is yet. Definitely didn't like the face fish. It's a little weird. Maybe if we walk around the fish, we'll walk around the boat. Get some new, different fish. Oh, there we go. What was that? Oh, I can see a face on that one. I don't like it. I don't like it. Come on. Alright, this one's... okay, okay. No, no. This is actually more difficult than I was anticipating. Come on, give me another one. Give me another one. Let's go. Go all the way to the front. Oh, we can go all the way to the front. Look at that. Nope. Alright. Careful. Careful. Okay. Okay, this is going a little bit better. Come on. Oh, I gotta like really concentrate on this. Jeez. Maybe if I turn my mouse sensitivity down, it might help a little bit. Might just be overcorrecting. Come on. Wow. Okay. Come on. You got this. You got this. This is not going very well. Maybe next time. Come on. The game's mad at me. Not gonna be any more fish. Where are the fish? Where's the meats? Give me the meats. Let's recast maybe? Yeah. Come on. Did I break it? Did I not catch the fish enough? Oh. Oh. That one was good too, I thought. It was nice and close. Yeah, man. I'm getting dragged that way, it feels like. Hmm. This is elusive. This is my Moby Dick. The white whale. Captain Ahab's out here. Interesting looking skybox. Do I have to get like bait or something? Okay, got a few drinks. Go to a new place maybe? No, can't, unfortunately. Okay, so we got 3 different fish. We got 2 doubles. Handful of beers. It's gonna be a good time. Oh. Come on. No, 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 no. Stay in the circle. There we go. There we go. Come on. Come on. Gonna get you. Gonna get you. Not gonna get you. Hmm. Not really sure yet how this is a horror game. The horror is trying to catch the fish. So far, I've been doing pretty horribly. Come on, let's go. Oh. Come on, bud. Alright, alright. No, 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 no. Get back in there. Get back in there. Come on. Oh, wait. Nope, nope, nope. This way, this way. This way. A little easier when you're closer to it. Still not exactly the most intuitive thing. Most likely a skill issue. Definitely starting to get a little bit frustrating. Out fishing, fishing, fishing. Where's the fishies? Come on. Let's go. We're gonna get this fish. This time for sure. As soon as we nail him. There we go. Oh, oh, come on, come on. Here we go. Get in the boat. Fish really does not want to be caught. Ooh, almost got him, almost got him. Come on, so close, so close. Yeah, there we go. Oh God. That's a big boy. Making some weird noises. What in the world is that? Oh my God, does that fish have like a legit face? Come here, hold on, let's go take a look at this fish. Getting stuck on the geometry. Let's see. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Reminds me of that game with Leonard Nimoy. What is it? Seaman. What an unsettling game that is. Jeez. Anyway, let's see if we can get... Is the water out there rising? Kinda see... I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this. The water's definitely getting more red. Definitely seems to be higher up in the... Oh. That's a storm brewing. We got another one. This one looks like a big boy. Oh yeah, that water is definitely turning to blood. Come on. No, in the circle, come on. Almost had him. Not really, but... Oh yeah, that water is definitely... That is, definitely feels like it's getting closer. Oh. Come on, alright. Getting kind of crazy out there. Come on. Here, fishy, 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 fishy. Oh, oh. I think this is one of the earlier fishes again. Does not look like that big boy. It's... I don't know. Come on. Oh, oh, oh. Gonna get you, gonna get you. Oh, jeez. That... like some sort of eel dune monster guy. I don't know how I feel about that. Ooh. Alright. Back to fishing. Why do all the fishes have faces? I don't know. I don't. This is... Ugh. I want to catch that big boy, though. There's a big one out there. I can feel it. Feel it in my bones. Might just be the arthritis, though. I don't know. Definitely feels like that. The water is getting closer and it's rising up. I don't know. There's a storm brewing. Some might say a perfect storm. Come on. Interesting mechanics so far, though. It's pretty simple. Definitely not easy. Lost another one, alright. I feel like at this rate, if there is a game over, I'm going to get one. Come on. No, no, no. Come on. Come on. Gotcha. Keep losing them. No good, no good. Maybe if I... Oh, jeez, okay. Alright, that one went better, but one we already got. Get in the bucket. Oh. Oh, that's the big boy. Come on. Oh. Definitely a bit easier when it's closer. This guy is not wanting to be caught. That is for sure. I mean, I guess no fish really wants to be caught, right? I mean, who would want that, right? Oh, come on. Oh, this looks like the Leonard Nimoy fish again. Storm's going crazy out there. Another Leonard Nimoy fish? Looks like it. Come on. Stay in that circle. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, oh yeah, totally. Another one of those. Where's... I feel like we got a lot of fish. That big boy, though, we still haven't caught... Oh, it's starting to rain. I don't know if we're winning or losing right now. All I know is we're doing it. We are doing it. Definitely some sort of progress. Oh, jeez. All right. Oh, get in this circle. Come on, come on. Not sure if it's supposed to be this difficult or I'm just bad at it. This is going a little bit better, maybe. Maybe. Oh, oh, oh. Come on. Come on. No, no, no. Stay in that circle. You get back here. Nope. Hey. Oh, man. Swinging hard. Alright, come on. Relax. Relax a little. I was on the hook for a while. You should be tired. Please. No. You. Alright. Come on. Oh, yeah. No, 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 no. Get back in there. Get back in there. Hey, hey. No, no. This way, this way. Yeah, there. No, this. Stay over here. Over here. Come on. Please. Please. Come on. Just let me catch you. Come on, come on. This is the longest I've had this guy on the hook so far. I mean, it feels like it. Definitely a bit frustrating. I'm assuming that's probably by design, though. Come on. Ah, bastard. And what do we got here? Oh, this thing isn't even trying. I don't like this at all. I do not have a good feeling about this one. I don't have to do anything for... Oh, Jesus. What is that? Oh, my goodness. Why do I have a crying baby fish? Okay. Oh, God. The sea whispers secrets, tales untold of a man undone by jealousy's plight. In mourning I sail, my guilt takes hold, a tragic tale of love turned to blight. A wife unfaithful, or so I believed. In shadows of doubt, my love I deceived. Now sailing the path where mourning does tread, for a son lost to jealousy's dread. Oh, so that was like... So wait, did he kill his son? Or maybe... he forced her to have an abortion? Either way, that's... extremely unsettling. The last one we caught it was way too... I knew it was too easy. So that was our kid. Well, this was Mourning Tide, a horror game where you go fishing.